Good morning, children. After the explanation of chapter 9 in grammar, creating adjectives, today we are going to do textbook exercise. So, dear children, open your grammar textbook, page number 52. 5 to 52. Let's do. Read these sentences below. Read these sentences below. See how the nouns have been described in the second part of each sentence. What we have to do? We have to read the sentences over here which is given below. Now the first one. The man can dance. Over here you can see the man can dance. But in the first sentence it is simple written the man can dance. But over here it is given the old man can dance. So here the adjective is what it is placed for the man. It is said that old man can dance. This kite is mine. You can see a boy is flying a kite. He is saying this kite is mine. But what is the color of the kite? Red. So this red kite is mine. Mom bought a flower vase. Mom bought a flower vase. Mom bought a large flower vase. Flower vase she brought, but how the flower vase is described as a large. So the words old, red and large describe different nouns. All describing words are called adjectives. See, old, red and large, all are what? Describe different nouns. So all are what called adjectives, describing words adjectives. Adjectives are used to describe nouns. Adjective tell us more about people, place and thing. It tells about people, place and things. Let's practice. Read the sentences and underline the adjectives. Okay, one example is given. A. The brown chimney throws out black smoke. Now over here chimney is described as brown, so we have underlined, and the smoke is described as black, so we have underlined black. How is the smoke? The smoke is black. And how is the chimney? The chimney is brown. B. There are tall trees on the high mountains. How the trees describe? Tall. T-A-L-L, tall. And mountains, how the mountains are? High. C. Rani has a younger sister. Rani has a younger sister. Rani has a sister, but how is her sister? She is younger to Rani. He saw a shiny twinkling star in the dark sky. How the star is described? As shiny, twinkling and the sky dark. So shining, twinkling and dark. So he saw a shiny, twinkling star in the dark sky. Aunt Radha bought 6 big towels at the store. So how many towels did Aunt Radha brought? 6. 6 big towels. I love to eat ripe pears. What is the pear? Pears are ripe. So I love to eat ripe pears. G. The little kittens are sleeping inside the basket. Who are sleeping inside the basket? Kitten. And the kittens are small, big, little, large, huge. How the kitten is described? Little. So we have underlined it, little. H. My pet dog chewed up my new shoes. How were the shoes? The shoes were new. So new is we have to underline the adjective. Now we will read all together. The brown chimney throws out black smoke. B. There are 12 tall trees on the high mountains. Rani has a younger sister. He saw a shiny twinkling star in the dark sky. Aunt Radha bought 6 big towels at the store. I love to eat ripe pears. The little kittens are sleeping inside the basket. My pet dog chewed up new shoes. Now we'll go to the next page. Now write the opposite of these adjectives. We have to write the opposites. Opposites you have learned in previous classes also. What are opposites? We have to write over here the opposites of the adjectives. A, happy. So happy का क्या आएगा opposite? Sad. Clean, dirty. Dark, well lit. Dark means अंधेरा एकदम. It is very dark room. And if you go in a lighted room, so it will be well lit. Small, big. Bad, good. Heavy, light. Loud, quiet. Careful, careless. Rich, poor. Healthy, unhealthy, and sick. Or you can say sick also. Helpful, unhelpful. Kind, unkind. Tall, short. Foolish, smart, intelligent. Young, old. Wet, dry. So once again we will read. Write the opposites of these adjectives. Happy, sad, clean, dirty. Dark, well lit. Small, big. Bad, good. Heavy, light. Loud, quiet. Careful, careless. Rich, poor. Healthy, unhealthy or sick. Helpful, unhelpful. Kind, unkind. Tall, short. Foolish, smart, intelligent. Young, old. Wet, dry. Now let's do another exercise. Let's learn. We can make adjectives by adding FUL and ISH to the words. What we have to do? We have to make adjectives by adding FUL and ISH to words. Example, FUL. CARE plus FUL, so it becomes careful. HELP, help plus help, it becomes helpful. BEAUTY plus FUL becomes beautiful. But children, you can see over here Y is there. Instead of Y, we have to add I. Now that is also Y because Y is a consonant. So ending with a consonant that is Y, such as beauty, in place of Y we change it into I. So it becomes beautiful. ISH. BLUE plus ISH, bluish. BOY plus ISH, boyish. GREEN plus ISH, greenish. Now we'll do the exercise. Let's practice. Add FUL to the words below to get adjectives. COLOUR plus FUL, colorful. MIND, mind plus FUL, it's mindful. PEACE plus FUL becomes peaceful. HARM, harm plus FUL, harmful. DELIGHT, delight plus full, it becomes delightful. So now we'll go to the next page. Once again we will read. Colorful, mindful, peaceful, harmful, delightful. Now we'll go to the next page. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the box below. What we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks with to choose the word with by changing the correct words from the box below. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from the box below. Bagful, helpful, playful, plateful, cheerful, useful. Now these are the correct word which is given in the box. Now we have to select from this and we have to fill up the blanks. I was hungry. I ate a dash of noodles. So what it will come? Plateful. So we will write plateful. My dog is very dash. He loves to run. So it's playful. The sheep had a dash of wool. He gave the wool to a boy. So it's bagful. Computers are very dash. They help us in many ways. Useful. We have to write useful. My mother is always dash. She has a beautiful smile. So it's cheerful. Books are our most dash friends. They tell us all we want to know. So it's helpful. Now we'll read all the sentences together, children. I was hungry. I ate a plate full of noodles. My dog is very playful. He loves to play. He loves to run. The sheep had a bag full of wool. He gave the wool to a boy. Computers are very useful. They help us in many ways. My mother is always cheerful. She has a beautiful smile. Books are our most helpful friends. They tell us we want to know. Now 3 number. Use ISH after each word to create an adjective. Write the adjectives in the blanks given. A. Yellow plus ISH. It becomes yellowish. RED in the bracket D is given plus ISH. The spelling of radish is RIDDISH, radish. PINK, pink plus ISH. So pinkish, PINKISH, pinkish. Now we have to use the adjectives you make in the sentences below. The sun looked reddish early in the morning. This rose is of a strange yellowish color. The baby's cheeks look pinkish. Once again we'll read the sentences. The sun looks reddish early morning. This rose is of a strange yellowish color. The baby's cheeks look pinkish. Okay children, so do this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.